Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna walk through how to apply for a visitor visa to Dominican Republic. Okay. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. This is based totally on my knowledge and research. So guys, Dominican Republic is a very popular tourist destination. Every year, a lot of people go there for beaches and other fun activities. All right. When it comes to travel to Dominican Republic, not every country citizens need visa, but there are some visa required countries as well. So, first thing you need to do is to find out if you really need a visa to Dominican Republic or not. And in case you do, then you need to find where you can apply. For example, if you are from India, then you can apply at Embassy of Dominican Republic in the Republic of India. But yes, there are certain exceptions, like we'll go through that later, that even if you are from a visa required country, you may not be required to apply for a visa in advance. All right. So this embassy in India is not just for people of India. You can go for these countries too, like nationals from following countries can apply. See, lot of countries can apply over there. Okay. Now when we go for the tourism visa, you see the requirements: passport, minimum 6 months of validity, visa application form, recent passport size photograph, white background, duly pasted on application, do not staple. Okay, make sure you do that. Travel itinerary, hotel reservation, no confirm booking nor air ticket. So you need this. You don't have to book you don't have to do confirm booking. Cover letter. Okay, cover letter from the applicant explaining the purpose of their trip. A courtesy translation in Spanish is mandatory. Okay. Document showing economic solvency. So you can see bank statement 3 months, bank letter, certificate of employment. Okay, business title, ownership land, if applies. Original passport, copy of biodata, and copy of valid visa pages. Invitation letter if invited. Police clearance certificate if applicable. And a certified translation in Spanish is mandatory. Lot of things. All right, now we know what documents are required, but when it comes to apply, how are you gonna do it? So you see here what is written: in association with VFS Global Services. So I went to VFS Global site, and from here we are gonna pick up more information. Identify, we know we have identified, so we are going to begin our visa application. So when we go here, we select the visa type as tourist, and I select tourist. Yeah, I got it. Overview. Okay, let's go through the fee. So this is the fee, and there's gonna be logistic fee. This logistic fee, there is no exemption of VF service charge, non-refundable, non-transferable. Okay. Documents required: visa application form, okay, to be submitted along with Spanish translation, copy of address. So everything, that same thing that's over there. If you have invitation letter, there are certain requirement. Now exceptions, this is very important. If any national is traveling only for tourism purpose and has valid multiple entry visa for USA, UK, Canada or Schengen, then any national may obtain a tourist card at their arrival at any airport in Dominican Republic at the cost of US $10 with a validity of 30 days. So let's say if you have a multi entry visa for USA, UK, Canada, Schengen, then you don't need to apply for a visa to Dominican Republic if you are gonna stay for 30 days for tourism, up to 30 days for tourism, then you can just get it at there. For all other nationals, nationals have to apply at nearest embassy or consulate. Okay, fine. Photo specifications we have already seen over there. Fine. Processing time, minimum 10 calendar days. But again, it varies case by case. Download forms. This is very important. So this visa application form, I have already opened it over here. So remember, they have given the instructions: do not staple, but paste. Surname, name, and they have asked to like same in as in passport. Surname, name, other used, birth and citizenship information, current address, passport information. These are very basic information. Time to visit, temporary address. These questions you can expect in any visa application. How you will pay if you have visited before. You into other country, name of the people who will be traveling with you, and documents that you apply based on case by case. You're gonna check. And you have signature as well, and this internal information you don't have to fill. So I've got you got the idea. So thanks for watching this, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank